Ira Epstein of Linn Associates with your Monday morning flash update, and this is for December 9th, 2019. The time right now about 9:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Well, the airwaves are being taken up by the Judiciary Committee deciding how to go about the impeachment. It's contentious. All you've got to do is take a look at it to see what's going on. But the stock market looking well beyond that. We're looking today also at metals stable, except copper up 300 points as the market's coming to grips that December 15th, we're going to get a decision. Now, I think most traders are now leaning to what I've been saying. You're either going to get an extension or a phase one trade deal. I doubt seriously the next round of tariffs are going on because it appears that both the U.S. and China want to get to at least the phase one deal. On the energy market, the market's waiting for the December 11th IPO of Saudi Aramco. In the British pound, if I step over this way, the market is now dealing with the December 12th elections that are being held. And then our own Fed this Wednesday is going to give us their decision. So it is a week full of an awful lot that is going on. Today's data, well, it's mixture. You've got the Conference Board Employment Trend Index came out at 110.8 versus October's revised 109.96. Media reports say that Congress, and I wrote about this in last night's update, Mexico's Congress has approved changes to the USMCA pact. They didn't approve all of them. So this is a little shorter statement, but they did come in on the steel part of it. Japan's GDP grew at an annualized pace of 1.8% in the 3 months through September from the previous quarter, and that is much faster than analysts thought. And you got to remember, they're throwing an awful lot of money now at their economy as the tax hike kicks in, so it's going to slow things down a little bit by giving stimulus. They're thinking they can get around that. China's ag ministry said their country's pig herd had increased by 2% during the November compared to October level. We'll see. I never believe all that because they're still reporting every now and then a case of African swine fever. Goldman Sachs is saying that they're increasing their 2020 crude oil price forecast, and they're going up roughly $3 a barrel for both Brent and WTI grades. Okay. I think they're looking for a better economy. QT News reported the Chinese customs data shows copper imports during November rose 12%. One of the reasons that copper is up. Internally, we're starting to see demand pick up, and of course, even a phase one deal takes pressure off, and could copper be a surprise market this year? Something to keep your eye on. Stats Canada, bad news today. They replied Canadian building permits fell for a second straight month in October, and all sectors were hit. It wasn't any one. It could be industrial, commercial, retail, all got hit, and they fell 1.5%. They were looking for an increase near 2%, so that's a real shakeup there of something that they were not expecting. In the grain market, beans are up a little bit, and I'm going to keep saying I think we're looking at harvest lows in that market. I've been using that term, and I'm not attributing it just to China because hogs are down 50 points, so I can't say that. News. You know, over the weekend, it dawned on me, and as I'm looking at things, how many news reports do you get on a Saturday and Sunday so that it helps you with your trading? You know, by Sunday night, the markets are open, so for a lot of people, they want to get information. We write it. We're writing it all through the weekend. We're giving you ideas on most of the major markets. You get it both as an email and in our charting software packages. So if you haven't seen these different categories that we write on, why not sign up and take a free trial if you want? How do you do that? It's really simple. Go to our website at www.iraepstein.com. You'll see on the bottom right, free offerings. Simply click it, sign up for what you'd like. If you'd like, you can also click on this icon. If you're watching me on YouTube, it'll take you right there. And one of the easiest ways to do this is to call my staff at 866-973-2077. Another way to get that done. I'm Ira Epstein. I will see you at the end of the day wrap-ups. You have a good trading day.